This was a platform that was new to him. But I think the way the programs were conducted, one was the time, only 40 minutes. So that's perfect for a child whose attention gets diverted very fast. So that 40 minutes was fantastic. The curriculum was good. It was interesting for Arnav. Certain sessions he didn't enjoy as much as certain other sessions. But we were also, I think, as parents, we were able to identify the areas that he's good at because we were seeing an improvement in Arnav's overall behavior. His communication skills improved incredibly with the people in the house.
So it's definitely through these classes, his kind of, his sensory side is actually going to improve dramatically, which is great to see. It has become his primary source of learning for sure. It's kind of moved away from what we used to do traditionally, and this has become his primary source of learning, and that's how we would like to keep it also.
That the role that Snehdhara facilitators play is of a facilitator, and the learning that happens has to be, it is not something that is pushed on the child, but it happens in a very subtle manner. And that is because of the kind of format they follow in teaching concepts. Or for many other institutions, it would have been a challenge how to teach, the kind of arts-based therapy that Snehdhara follows to a visually impaired child through the medium of, online kind of classes. But I think together we have overcome that. And again, now if you ask him about Rajasthan, or you ask him about Andhra Pradesh or Himachal Pradesh, there are a whole lot of things that he knows. And I never thought that Ajay had the cognition to understand a map, and understand lots of things like maybe the art and craft of a place. But this has been possible only because, again, I feel I have to reiterate this, that Snehdhara knows how to push the limits and, push the child to see the possibilities. I think it has opened doors for him, be it in communication, be it in his learning, be it in his cognition. The individual attention they give to the child is not something that you would find in any other institution. In the sense, they are non-judgmental and they are at par. They treat him at par.
Kind of he has gone to some other next level, I would say. Yeah. But compared to last year when it started out, I think he has kind of adjusted himself. And also because the facilitators are giving him time to respond.
I'm learning how to talk with him at times by listening to how you guys interact and the patience or the tempo at which and the pitch, how you communicate with children.
Has worked, and I know it is working for him. He has a long way to go, but he's made a very, very good start. There's so much of information coming in and he's absorbing it all. So I do believe that the ECOL program, together with the Snehdhara program and the speech and language, has really done him a lot of good in the last few months.
And it really brings out a different Ishan, in terms of his attention, his participation in the sessions. And Babita, Priya and Sayo made sure that, Ishan was completely into the sessions and not being dependent on a buddy, and being totally attentive to his teachers and responding to them. That is what I think is the best thing that we've achieved. And he never hesitates to attend these sessions. Even if he's sleepy and tired, the moment I say, Ishan, okay, Snehdhara session, he will spring up, get his chair and sit, all ready to attend the session. Paying more attention on the screen and looking at his teacher and kind of responding, which was one of the biggest targets that we've achieved,